Hello from channel. In this video, I will present you how to make incorrect dimension drawing to the correct one by using command scale or align. Like you see, I will correct incorrect drawing at the left hand side to the correct one at the right hand side. When you receive a drawing plan from someone, but the drawing is not correct in dimension, as in your measurement in AutoCAD. In the drawing from column or axis number 1 to axis number 3 is 8000 mm long, but if measured by dimension in drawing is shown only 6800 mm, that is not correct. That is the problem. If you want to know another object that doesn't have dimension, like the opening of the front door, how wide is it? Window, how long is it? How wide is it? You don't know. It is easy. You can make it to a right dimension drawing by using two commands, scale and align. First thing, you need to check your drawing. What is the unit you are using by using command unit. You type unit and press enter. You need to set intersection scale to unit you are going to use. Like this drawing, I choose the millimeter because shown dimension on the drawing is in millimeter. After choosing millimeter, I click OK. Now we are use command scale. We type SC, enter. Then select overall drawing that I want to resign. Click on the base point. AutoCAD will ask you to input scale factor. What is your scale factor? How you know it? We already know the length that we want from axis number 1 to axis number 3 is 8000 mm. But we actually measure from axis number 1 to axis number 3 is 6800 mm. We want to enlarge this drawing, so scale factor is greater than 1. That's why scale factor equals 8000 divided by 6800. After input the scale factor, you press enter. The drawing you want to resign is come to the right dimension. You can measure whatever you want to know the right dimension now, like a door, bathroom size, the window. Let me remind you that when you want to enlarge your drawing, your scale factor is greater than 1. If you want to make it smaller, the scale factor is less than 1. In the example, I need to enlarge my drawing because actual dimension 6800 mm is smaller than 8000 mm, so scale factor is greater than 1. Another way to fix is using command align. First, we need to draw one line parallel to known dimension object. Like in this drawing, we know the length from axis number 1 to axis number 3 is 8000 mm. So we draw one line with length 8000 mm parallel to dimension line from axis number 1 to axis number 3. Type command AL for align, enter, select overall drawing and enter. Click point intersection of dimension. Click point at the end of the line. Click another intersection of dimension point. Click the point at another end of the line. Press enter. I need to scale it to be the larger, so I type Y for yes and press enter. That's all. Thanks for watching.